HobbyKidsGaming.
Who will win the alien surprise during this balloon challenge? Make sure to watch the balloons carefully.
She works here.
And this guys, I got this out of the claw machine. No way! That is super rare. Okay, ready? Here, I can give you one.
A little high.
Let me pop them.
Yeah! Did you see what color the balloon was that popped? If you did, make sure to leave us your comments.
Good job, bud.
Now it's time for some video game fun. Keep watching as Hobby Spider is about to take on the claw machine.
Come on, come on, come on. That's good. Oh, I hope I get it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No! Like that! Yeah?
Say one more time.